Greetings everyone and welcome back to another very random review. This was one that was sort of out of the blue and let's just get straight onto it. A company that I'd never heard of before called TORRAS contacted me and said, would I like to have a look at one of their products? And I said, yeah, sure, why not? And it turns out that they make cases for phones, screen protectors and all that sort of thing. So I was like, okay, well, we'll have a look at it all. But the main product they wanted me to have a look at was something that made me almost fall off my chair, because I was laughing way too much at what this is. What I'm going to be showing you today is 3 cases. 2 iPhone XS Max cases and an S10 case. And the, the TORRAS World's First Bladeless Necklace Fan Hands-Free Portable Neck Fan Mini USB Personal Fan. This is currently $60 US from the website, or if you go onto Amazon Australia, it's actually $111. Now, what exactly is this product, you say? This is a neck band that goes around your neck, and it has 2 built-in fans, 2 batteries, and a power button, and a micro USB port to charge it. That's it. That's all you're getting. As you can see from the picture here, it looks like a pair of headphones, but it's not. And the pictures for this item show that it's the 2020 newest design. Bladeless Necklace Fan, free your hands. Now about that whole bladeless thing, we'll get to that. And then the secret to stay cool, newest bladeless design, get cool in 3 seconds with an 1800 mAh capacity, 48 outlets, 360 degree cooling, 60 pieces twin turbine fan blade. Is it bladeless or is it not bladeless? I'm confused. Also, that PCB in there looks way too sophisticated for this, but anywho. Stay cool, stay safe. It's got a PSE certification, never twist your hair. And the other ones are easier to twist your hair. Oh no. 31 decibels, an ultra quiet environment, with leaf falling, whispering and phone speaking. Well, at least she looks like she's having a good time, so everything's good. Free your hands. Brushless motor makes the fan durable. Speed 1, press once for soft breeze. Working time 7 hours. Speed 2, press twice for mild wind. And speed 3, press 3 times for cool wind. That guy right there. We'll see him soon. Keep your summer cool anytime, anywhere, shopping, cooking, indoor, and workout. That workout dude we'll also see very soon as well. And then the listing has all of this. Accordingly has 46 patents, including the unique appearance, the way to generate the wind and the wind outlets. So if you want to have a pause and read all this, you can. Feel free. I'll let you. There you go. The main feature. The advertisement for the bladeless fan goes a little something like this. And I can't even. There's so many strange things going on in that advertisement. I'll let you folk just take notice of all of that. No worries. So what I've got is a big box with stuff in it, which I had no idea what it was until I'd done the unboxing, so I already know what's in there, but past me is going to tell you that they have no idea what's in here. I know what's in there. So, let's get on with it, shall we? And of course, I will thank TORRAS for providing me with these samples for review. I'm not being paid anything to say anything good about this sort of stuff. It's all my opinions, and what I'm going to be saying is what I think of all of this. Now, if this part of the video looks weird, it's because I'm filming this part first, because I've got this big box. I don't know what's in it. It feels like there's about 2 phones or something like that in here. I'm not too sure. So I'm just going to go ahead, crack this open, and we'll see what exactly it is I've received. My day was actually pretty boring until I got a notification that this was available to pick up. And I was like, what? Okay. And then when I got there, I was expecting a tiny little box, and it was this box. I'm like, what the hell? What have I got? Oh, okay. What's this here? Oh, it's this. Oh. Ah. Okay then. I've confused parcels. Now I know what the start of the video is going to look like now. Let's just put this to the side, because that's the beauty. But we've got 3 cases here from Torras. And, yeah, they said that we're going to send out an S10 one and 2 XS Max ones. So I'm going to go ahead and open each one. Actually, we'll just look at the box first. So it's simple but unique. Case for smartphone. Torras. It's got a little shiny bit there. There's orange. There's orange. There's orange. Nothing rhymes with orange. Worry-free quality products. Worldwide happy users in 10 years. Concentration. Oh dear. Okay. Alright, well this is for the XS Max. 10S Max. 10S Max. My bad. 10S Max. Sorry. It's not XS Max. It's 10S Max. Stupid naming system. Let's start a wonderful journey. Hey, this would make good cardstock for when I tear apart phones. Let's go a little hand. Hello. Simple but unique. We aim to provide supreme customer utility experience by writing a review on Amazon. Get linked with millions of Torras users. Okie dokie. Well, we'll see the first case here. Now, I'll just say, I've always bought generic cases. All my life, I've just bought generic ones. This pretty much looks exactly like a generic case. So I'll just slam the 10S Max in there, like so. I mean, it looks okay because it's, you know, gold and stuff. Look, I'm not going to perform any durability tests on it or anything. It's fine. It'll do. Okay, well, that's the first one. As I said, I've only bought generic cases for every single one of my phones. I've never used, like, a brand name case. Except for this Energizer one that I bought for the 10S Max from Kohl's for, like, $5 because it was on sale. It's probably the only one that I do have. Same thing with this one. So I'll just yank that open, grab this out. Oh, this one's like a, rugged one? Is it rugged? Or is this not a rugged? Oh, what even? There's another card there. Oh, this one's like a credit card. Hello, world. Hello, Walt. Torras Care. Oh, okay. So we've got 2 different ones going on here. This one's just a plastic one. It does have Torras just there. Very hard to see, but it does have Torras. So you just plonk that in there. I'm scared. There we go. Okay, so that's a fairly thin case, actually. That's not too bad. Does feel quite nice. But honestly, I don't know the difference between this and an unbranded one, that's all. It is what it is, I guess. But no, at least it, you know, it would work. Strange that it's got little cuts in the phone like that there. According to the box, it's called a mysterious black cover. Yes. Yes, it is. So I was in the middle of editing, and I noticed I said the prices of these cases were fairly cheap. I looked on Amazon Australia, and it turns out that this one is $37 Australian. And this one is the same price, $37 Australian. I would say the S10 one would be exactly the same price. So in that regards, that is way too much for just a case like this. I mean, everyone needs a case, I understand that, but that's expensive. Holy moly. Just for a really generic one? As I said, I don't know the difference between this and a generic one. They all look the same to me. But the last one here is for the S10, and this is a crystal clear one. Same style of boxing. Same style of boxing, that makes sense. Another card stock there as well. Okay, so this one is pretty much exactly the same case that I have currently on my S10. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. It's a little bit different. My case... There goes my phone. My case is slightly yellowed, but I think they're exactly the same case. Just mine's a yellowed colour because I've had it for like 6 months. Okay, well I know that that's fine, so I'll just go ahead and put that on there. Like that, and yeah, it fits. And that's it. It's exactly the same as my other one, so there's no difference there. Well, I've got a new case for my S10, so I guess that's fine. I actually paid $10 Australian for this case, so it's fine. It's reasonable. It's good. Now on to the main masterpiece. The leafless hanging neck fan. Now, you've seen the advertisement at the start of this video. You know what's going on. I can't take this seriously. Can't take it seriously. Oh boy. Okay. Now, it's gotten a little hot in Australia. This will be good. I just hope they haven't sent me a pink one, because that's not nice. So on the side, we've got neck hanging design, security leafless, 3 gears wind adjustment. And on the back, it's a FSF A08, 220 grams, all that sort of stuff. Now, as you know, this is the Torras world's first bladeless neckless fan, hands-free portable neck fan mini USB personal fan. We've already been through the listing, so we already know what's going on. But I'll just go ahead and slice that open like so, just straight through the box. That's perfectly fine. There we go. How much is this product again? $60. This is a $60 product. Oh dear. Always remember, stay cool. According to the ad anyways. Okay, well, they've got a bit of heft to them. I'll give it that. The accessory box is a box that I probably can't open. So we get a USB cable in here. It is a micro USB one. Yes, it is a micro USB one. You also have a quick start guide in here as well to tell me exactly what I should be doing. Do not stick my fingers in the blades. There's no blades. Sorry, my bad. There's no blades. The 1800 milliamp hour battery and all that sort of thing. We know what's going on. Fair enough. Let's, oh boy. Oh boy. What have I done? What have I agreed to? Look at where I am, people. Look at where I am. This is it. And I can see fan blades in there. I mean, it's a fan blade. I don't understand how it's supposed to be a bladeless one when I can see a fan right in there, quite clearly, with blades on it, that looks like it's a blower-style fan straight from a GPU from like 2006, but, you know, so be it. And the same thing with that side too. That's got the ROHS stuff on there, and that's got another blade just like that on there. You got these vents here, so when the cooling starts kicking in, it just poof. On the top here it says 2 fan. That's rubber coated just there, and the rest is just, oh my god, what have I done? Oh, okay. So you can adjust it if you want, so you can have it like that, or that, or that, or you can have it as a smiley face if you want. It's up to you. Micro USB port's just there, and the sides of it just have Torras with these little bits of plastic just on here. At least this has a mirror finish. Look at that mirror finish. Ooh, nice. What we do is we find the power button, and we power it on. Can you hear that? So that's level 1. That's level 2. That's level 3. It's literally just 2 fans inside of there going at full speed with a battery inside. Okay, so if I'm in a hot room and I put this on, the back of it, where the rubber coating is actually the coolest part of it on my neck. The air that's blowing up at me right now is not doing a lot. That's the highest setting too. I don't get it. I do not get it. It doesn't cool me down. The coldest part is here. This just blows air at your face. It doesn't do much. Like, I'm in a room that's about 22 degrees or something like that, and it's loud. It is pretty much like if I had 2 7800 GTXs strapped to my head. It's like the same thing. Alternatively, I could just use my own personal fan that I have that blows air at me. This is just really gimmicky. Why did I accept this in the first place? Oh dear. $60 for this. It's just 2 fans of battery. What am I missing here? It was the ad, wasn't it? The ad's the most important part. Let's go ahead and just take one side off. Let's see what's inside of here. That's it. That is literally just a fan blade off a GPU. It's got fan blades on it, so it's not bladeless. Alternatively, it could be good for other things, you know? You could do something like that. You could, oh wait, people don't like that. This could also be a musical instrument. Yep, okay. And if I put it up to maximum, it just gets faster. Whee! What does the battery look like? Where's the battery? And there you go. There's the battery. It's supposed to be 1800 milliamp hours. Unless it's 2 batteries on each side, which would make sense. Yeah, I can't tell what that is because of the adhesive on there. Alright, I'll take the other side off. Well, I don't have a feeling that the PCB inside this is going to be the most tiniest little thing ever. It's not going to do anything. It's just going to have the micro USB port on it and a button, and that's probably it. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. Okay, so this side's completely different because the fan's actually attached to this here. So if we go ahead and power this side on, yeah, that's how that works. I'll just fold it like that, that's fine. Okay, well there's the PCB just there, which is literally just a micro USB port and a button and 2 screws. And the battery on this side does say that it's 900 milliamp hours, so it would be 900 on this side and 900 on the other side. But it's just a couple of wires, and that's really it. There's nothing really revolutionary about this, to be honest. So what this is a $60 gimmick. $60 US for this. You get 2 fans from an old video card inside of a neckband with 2 batteries and a power button. That's what you get. And if you all want to have a laugh, this is what I look like with one of these on. Whee, that feels nice. Prepare for landing. I like this music very much. Sounds good. Futuristic sunglasses. Makeshift boomerang. Possible weapon. Maybe. It works. This is how I get cool. Well now, I hope you all enjoyed that video of me wearing these. Do they keep me cool? No. It's just some air blowing up at me. That's really it. As I said, the back of it is the coolest part. Not this part either. It's just, I can't get over the price. 60 US for this. They could at least include some speakers in it or something, because if you're going to be wearing this around, you don't want the noise of just all the time. Why not include some speakers and a Bluetooth module, connect it up with your phone, and there you go. You've got 2 decent batteries in here. It can power it. It could power everything. Why just... It's wasted space. It wouldn't restrict airflow or anything, even though there's barely any airflow, but you know, ignore that for now. Overall, what can I say about these? No. No. It doesn't keep you cool. And in Australian heat, when it gets to 45 degrees, I'm fairly sure you're not going to have a bit of plastic around your neck walking around with this going on at full speed, because A, it looks silly, and B, it just doesn't produce enough air. Accordingly, you gotta stay cool. Anyways, I think that's gonna do it for this one. Just, if you want to have a look at it, the link is in the description. If you want to have a look. If you want to have a... Oh boy, if you want to have a look at... If you want to have a look at this product, it's in the description below. If you have one of these, let me know. Oh my god, okay. Okay, composure, composure. The cases were the best part of this. Oh boy, what a gimmick. This is one of the biggest gimmicks I've seen for quite a long time. But anyways, there you go. You've seen it here. I've dropped so low that you've got to see this. Why does this exist? Who was like, yeah, this is fine. This is completely fine. You're gonna look perfectly fine with this on. You're gonna look gangster. You're gonna pick up chicks with this thing on. Man, this thing's... No. For real this time, thank you very much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Thank you to Torras for sending this stuff over to me. I do appreciate it. But I just keep asking myself why. As I said, the cases were the best part. But be good people. Stay safe. Take care. And I'll see you all in the next one. Now, excuse me, I'm going to go put these on while I edit. Yep. That's completely fine. If you like this content, feel free to leave a like or a dislike if you didn't. Thanks heaps for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next video.